What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. Today I got like a super cool simple mod for any BMW. You guys can see the M5 out there, but this works on any BMW. This isn't specifically to the M5, isn't specifically to any F10, F30, nothing. It works on every BMW, and I think it's one of like the coolest, simplest mods that you can do, and I think it's something that not a lot of people do. So without further ado, let me go ahead and just show you guys real quick. So we did pick these up from Impulse Designs. I'll go ahead and leave their Instagram in the description below as well as on the screen right now. But let me just go ahead and show you guys real quick. We went ahead and picked up some floating center caps for the wheels. So you guys can see that they're all floating. They're all gonna stay up while you're driving and stuff. But these aren't just regular floating caps, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but these, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but these got painted around the edges, as you guys can tell. So let me go ahead and show you guys what the regular wheel cap would look like. You see how it's silver around, which I mean it looks cool, but like look at the black, guys. The black looks so sick compared to the silver, and with obviously with the gloss black wheels, I think these will look so much better. Oh my god, I can't wait to put them on. So yeah, these were on there before. I'm gonna show you guys how to take them off right now without actually taking off the whole wheel. And yeah, we're gonna put these on there real quick, and yeah, you guys can see what they look like and how they work. This is the reason why they even float in the first place. But yeah guys, the black just looks so sick. I'm super excited to put them on. And yeah, you guys can see we got all four of them right here, and he also hooked this up with this, which is the little emblem for the airbag, also with the black outline around instead of being chrome. I'll go ahead and show you guys what the actual regular one looks like right now, but yeah, I'm super excited to put these on. So let me just go ahead and show you guys how to take off the old ones without taking off the wheels. Let's go ahead and put these on, and then we'll see how they look. So without further ado guys, let's just get straight into it. Alright, so if you do have some like painter's tape, you can go ahead and put some on the edge just to make sure you don't scratch the wheel at all. I don't actually have any right now, so I'm gonna try to use the towel, put it towards the edge, and what we're gonna do is use a pick, as you guys can see right here. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and grab the edge and pull it out carefully, make sure we don't scratch the wheel at all. And yeah guys, let me go ahead and do that real quick. Let me see if I can show you guys as I'm doing it. Alright, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here, but let's just go ahead and give it a try. It's almost out. I'm just trying my best not to scratch the wheel, and just like that, it's off, and we didn't scratch the wheel at all. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do to all of the center caps, and then we'll go ahead and throw the other ones on, and yeah, let's just see how they look. As you guys can see, we didn't really damage much. This was already like that, the bottom piece. I think I might have scratched it a little bit, as you guys can see right there, but I'm not even gonna use this anymore. I'll probably just have them as extras or like whatever. So yeah, let me go ahead and take the rest off real quick, and then we'll throw on the other ones. All right guys, so as you can see, this one doesn't have it. You guys can really see that, but we have all four right here that we took off. Now let's go ahead and put this one on and see how it looks. Yeah, so pretty much you just want to align it and snap it into place from all around. Oh my god, that looks so sick. Oh oh yes, I love how it has like the black outline instead of the chrome that you guys can see over here, especially with the wheels being gloss black. I think it matches it super nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the four on there real quick. Now I do want to give you guys a little time lapse, but before we do that, you guys can see the car is like filthy. You guys can see the wheels, all that brake dust, especially in the front. You can see all the brake dust on there and stuff. So I want to give the car a quick wash. I'm gonna go to the self car wash and wash it myself super quick, and then I'll give you guys a little cinematic of it. So yeah guys, don't click off the video yet. I'll be back with you guys in just a second. It's time to get it all nice and clean because it is way too dirty. All right guys, we just got home. Check it out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Honestly, I got super excited when I got the wheels done in gloss black because I knew it was gonna look super good with the way these have like black around, and it was just gonna look nice. And I'm super excited with the way they came out, guys. Like, they honestly look so sick. everything. They look super good quality. So they are OEM BMW floating center caps, and you know, he does his thing and he makes them look this cool. So yeah guys, they are super good quality, obviously, since they're OEM. And yeah, I'm just super excited with the way they came out. They look really nice. A lot of people already don't really do this floating center caps, even though they're super dope. And now with the black outline, I feel like it just looks a lot better. And I also want to do the same thing for the bumper emblem, as well as the trunk emblem. Get them blacked out. I think that looks super sick. And even this one too, I want to get the one that's all black, because you guys can see like this part's chrome and this part's black. So yeah, I want to get the one that's all black, and maybe even the competition one, since this is a competition package. Anyways guys, this is the other one that he sent me. So you guys can see how it has like the silver chrome around. And if you look at it from an angle, it looks kind of like chopped off for some reason. I don't know why. If you look at it from an angle, like, I don't know, the outline looks kind of weird. Even the BMW looks kind of weird. But yeah, I might even put this one on later today and see how that looks. I think that'll look super sick as well with the all black. So yeah, I'll show you guys what this looks like if I do end up putting it on today. But yeah guys, you can't tell me this doesn't look sick. Like for it being floating, first of all, and then having the black outline, it honestly makes a huge difference. Alright guys, it's officially nighttime, as you guys can tell. Go. I gotta fill up real quick, so that's what we about to do. Oh yep. Car wash. No. Receipts? Yes. Gotta get that 85 in first. There we go. You know, you do that E30 mix. I'm about to end the video, but I had to come fill up, so I thought I might as well fill up real quick and then record on the GoPro just to drive home. But yeah, about to fill up real quick and then I'll put on the GoPro. And now we fill up on 91. Get that good E30 mix. God damn, man. Gotta get like freaking 14 gallons of this. Anyways, but check out the center caps, bro. Oh my god, it looks so good. Especially at night, since you can't tell how dirty the wheel is. For the most part, it just looks glossy. Woo. I'm still missing the little M badge though. I still haven't got those. But damn. Oh, that looks so clean. Sheesh. Alright. Merging into my lane. Alright guys, that's just gonna go ahead and end today's video. I really just wanted to show you guys the center caps, but I didn't want to just leave you with that and that's it. So I decided to throw in a little bit of a POV, not too much, just to throw a little bit more in there. That way the video won't be so boring. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys do like these center caps, I'll leave a link in the description, as well as Instagram on the screen right now, so you guys can hit him up if you guys do want these. Oh damn, thing is tucking. How much space is under there? Oh damn, this thing's tucking right now. But yeah, go ahead and check those out guys. They look super sick in my opinion. I do want to get the same one for the front bumper and the rear trunk like I told you guys, and he did send me the one for the steering wheel, so I think I'm gonna put that on soon. You guys will check that out on Instagram. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and without further ado, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Thanks for tuning in once again, and yeah, peace out.